Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to recharge your AC on your car. And I like this one because it has a reusable gauge here. I bought one of a different brand and it had the gauge on it, but you couldn't reuse it, so I thought that was kind of a waste. But this one, you can reuse this whole top piece, and so it's worth buying this one in my opinion. Then you can just buy the cans after that and not spend as much. This also has a nice braided line on it and a nice adapter, which I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so first off, it has a little tag here that says it needs to be removed before use. So you're going to spin the top of this off and then unscrew this piece here. Okay, so we unthreaded that top part. Now we're just going to unthread this until it's off. And then basically just screw this cap back on. Okay, inside the car you want it to be on max AC, as cold as it'll go, and on high. Okay, so start off by shaking the can real well, and you want it upwards as you're putting it in. So you want to hold it straight up. Next we have the car running. I have the windows down on it because we want the temperature inside the car and outside to be about the same. Okay, you're going to come in and you're going to find your low pressure side air conditioning port. Okay, there's a high pressure and a low, and you can't mix them up because they're different sizes. Okay, so this nozzle is only going to fit on the correct one. Okay, so now you're going to take your adapter, and it's real simple. You just line it up, and you just push straight down onto it until it clicks. Okay, so you just push down until it clicks. There you go, now you're locked on. Now you want to take your gauge here, and depending on what temperature it is outside, this is what we're turning it to. So we're going to go ahead and say that it's 80 degrees out. And so if you see where the 80 is, we're going to put the arrow on 80. Okay, and so what we want to do now is push this, pull the trigger for a few seconds and let off. And when you let off, it should make its way into that range right between those two arrows. Okay? Now, personally, just so that I don't overcharge the system, I like to keep it in the green where it says filled, but just not all the way up, because you could have an issue, for example, on the high pressure side that we're not reading with a blockage, and if you overpressurize the system, then it could ruin everything. So, as long as you're in the green range like this, see, we're on the low side of that V. So we're, see this little V here? We're pretty much, we're filled. We know we're not low, but we're not on the high side either. And that's the way that I like to have it, just in case there's some kind of issue. So it's that simple. You'll hear the AC compressor. If it's not clicking on and off a lot, then that's another good indicator that it's working pretty well. And once again, the windows are down on the car just so that you don't have ice cold air inside and then this on the outside. So anyway, that's where I feel pretty comfortable with it. So all you have to do to disengage it is come over and you lift up on this tab and it pops right off. And then you just want to make sure that you reinstall your port cap.